Take a look at these incredible pyramids of Egypt. Have you ever wondered what ancient mysteries are buried within them, just waiting to be uncovered? Imagine discovering hidden time capsules inside these ancient wonders. What shocking secrets could they reveal? Could they rewrite our understanding of history? The exciting discovery of time capsules in the pyramids and exploring the surprising artifacts and messages they contain will grab your attention. We'll talk about how they were found, what's inside them, and the theories about where they came from and why they're important. Get ready for a journey through time. But wait, before we enter the depths, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. Now, let's explore the untold stories of the pyramids. Imagine a bunch of adventurous explorers, armed with fancy gadgets and a big curiosity, standing in front of the ancient wonders. They're about to discover something no one has seen for thousands of years. Then, bam, they find something amazing. Using cool tools, they spot a secret room hidden inside the pyramid. Could this be the big jackpot they've been hoping for? The excitement is off the charts as they start digging to see what's inside. Researchers found the hidden time capsules while exploring the pyramid walls and chambers. Imagine their excitement. How did they first notice something strange? They knew they were about to uncover something amazing. Could this be the big find they were hoping for? The excavation process was careful and full of excitement. The archaeologists used delicate tools to gently remove layers of stone and sand. Each brushstroke revealed more of the time capsules, and everyone was eager to see what was inside. Picture the scene. The focused faces of the researchers, their careful hands at work, and the looks of amazement as the first artifact appeared. What incredible things would they find next? Historical context. Placing the time capsules within the historical context of ancient Egypt opens up many intriguing questions. Who might have placed these items in the pyramids, and why? Some experts believe that priests or high-ranking officials hid the capsules to preserve important aspects of their culture and history. Could they have been meant for future generations? Or perhaps as offerings to the gods? Maybe they were intended to protect sacred knowledge during times of turmoil. The items found in the time capsules hold great cultural and religious significance. The ancient tools, personal belongings, and religious items give us a glimpse into the daily life and spiritual practices of ancient Egyptians. For example, the small statues of gods and amulets suggest strong religious beliefs and practices. They likely played a crucial role in rituals and were believed to provide protection and blessings. This discovery has a profound impact on our understanding of ancient Egypt. By uncovering these time capsules, we gain new insights into the lives, beliefs, and practices of this fascinating civilization. It might reshape historical narratives, showing us a more detailed and personal side of history. How will this change our current views of ancient Egypt? Could these findings lead to new theories about their society, technology, and interactions with other cultures? What did these objects mean to the people who created and used them? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you found this journey into the secrets of the pyramids fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling explorations of ancient mysteries. Archaeologists' Insights. Leading archaeologists and Egyptologists have shared their insights on this remarkable discovery. The discovery of these time capsules is a game-changer for our understanding of ancient Egypt. It provides a rare glimpse into the daily lives and beliefs of the people who built the pyramids. Similarly, Dr. Ahmed Hassan, an Egyptologist, stated, "These findings shed new light on the religious practices and cultural traditions of ancient Egyptians. It's like peering directly into the past." And guess what? The adventure isn't over yet. By using fancy tests like carbon dating, they make sure the treasures are really old. It's like detective work, but with science. Scientific analysis. Imagine this. As the dust settles on the artifacts of ancient Egypt, scientists step in like detectives on a thrilling case. Dr. Emily White, a wise expert, shares a big discovery. Carbon dating tells us these treasures are thousands of years old, just like the stories of ancient Egypt. It's like fitting the last piece of a puzzle perfectly, but the excitement doesn't stop there. More detective work begins. Scientists use special tools to peek into the materials and read the ancient words carved into them. It's like decoding a secret message from the past. Each new clue brings us closer to unlocking the secrets hidden for centuries. In this adventure of discovery, science is our trusty guide. With each step, we uncover more about the people who came before us, shining a light on their ancient world. The discovery of time capsules within the pyramids of Egypt has provided us with a unique insight into ancient civilization. These capsules contain a wealth of artifacts, ranging from ancient tools to religious items. We can't help but wonder what other secrets the pyramids might still hold. The potential for future exploration is vast. As we conclude our journey into the secrets of the pyramids, we're left with a thought-provoking question. What other hidden treasures and messages could still be awaiting discovery in the pyramids? What do you think might be hidden in the depths of the pyramids? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about pyramids and their secrets, then click on this video.